Hey everybody, Larry Janeski here with your RainDrop Minute. So, RainDrop Gutter Guard can be installed under the shingles, very simply, like this, under the starter course. And you install 3 screws, and there's little torque stops so you don't tighten them down all the way so it can expand and contract, super simple. But if the gutter is installed a lot lower on the fascia board or it's pitched dramatically, and you can do this in the beginning, but down there it's pitched way down and you can't do it because it would be up at a steep angle, no problem. You can use a drop-in style. So you can bend this flange and you can install it this way. Even if the gutter is down from the drip edge or down from the starter course, you can install the RainDrop Gutter Guard that way. RainDrop Gutter Guard is very versatile and you can use it in every situation, even with flat roofs and all kinds of configurations, gutter to roof. Super simple to use. That is your RainDrop Minute. I'm Larry Janeski. I'll see you soon.